Hello all, welcome to my channel SPS Physics Classes by S. Panindra Sharma. The first question is like this. Find the tension in the strings for the system. In the given case, two cables are given and there is something like a rod having mass of m. Therefore, center of mass acts exactly at the center of the system. And the first string connected and from L by 4 distance, and the other one is approximately R at the system. Now, by applying the concept of equilibrium, what we write down here? So, with respect to point size direction, tension T1, tension T2, both are acting in upward direction. Mg ultimately acts in the downward direction. Therefore, T1 plus T2 is equal to Mg. First equation we can write down. And next one is nothing but the distance from here to here, center of mass to here is nothing but about L by 4. And from here to here, the total distance is nothing but what? L by 2. So therefore, this particular tension T1, okay, at a perpendicular distance of L by 4, about the observation point center of mass Mg, produces, okay, this one will produce torque in this direction, rotation effect. So what is this torque? Clockwise torque. At the same time, L by 2, a distance of L by 2, another tension in the given system T2 will try to produce neutralize effect, that's called anti-clockwise direction. That means what we write down here is nothing but simply T1 into L by 4 must be is equal to T2 into L by 2, we can write down. Clockwise torque is equal to anti-clockwise torque. So upward forces is equal to downward force. These are the two conditions must and should be obeyed by the system. Then here 2 and 4 cancel 2 times. Therefore, T1 is equal to 2 times of T2. We can write it like this. Now use this particular, so this is equation 1, equation 2. To find out the value of what, so use this particular one here. That means T1 is equal to, what do you write down here? 2T2 plus T2 is equal to, you can write down as Mg. Or T2 is equal to, you can write down as Mg by 3. If it is Mg by 3 means T1 must be is equal to 2 by 3 of Mg. So, like this, one can determine the tension in the cable. Now, let us see the second question. According to the second question, 3 identical rods, each of mass m and length are arranged in the form of U shape and they are allowed to rotate completely like this, as per the figure. Now the thing is that we need to find out moment of inertia of the system. The solution is like this. This is the rotational axis and we fixed a rod like this having mass m, length L. Therefore, the moment of inertia is nothing but I1. One more identical rod is here which is identified as 3 having mass m, length L. Moment of is nothing but I2 we can take. I1 and I2 are the supposed values. And one more rod is there along in this direction. Okay, now total mass is nothing but m, length is nothing but L. L is the length of the material. Now this moment of inertia is nothing but I3. Therefore, total moment of inertia is nothing but I1 plus I2 plus I3 we can write down, which is given by I1. For the first rod we can write down as ml square by 3. And for the second rod also, because of an axis passing through the terminal of the rod and perpendicular to its length, ml square by 3. Then together with the we have the I3 last one. This entire rod contains a rotation axis here. Imagine that this is the rotation axis and this is the vertical rod, and this is rotating like this. This rod is rotating like this it is rotating. Under such a condition, the entire system contains center of mass at this location. This mass is at a distance of perpendicular distance of L. Therefore, simply you can write as ml square, which is equal to 2 ml square by 3 plus ml square we can write down. Therefore, 5 by 3 ml square. This is going to the right answer for the problem. Next, third question. Find out the frictional force acting on the ring. Let us consider that a standard ring. Standard ring means what? Mass of the ring is nothing but m, acceleration due to gravity, ring radius is nothing but r. These are the standard parameters we have to take. Now what happened? we are applying force of F along the tangential direction. This happens at a height of h. Now at this case, to find out here, we need to use the formula h is equal to r of 1 plus k square by r square. We have three opportunities: h equals, greater, less than. Three opportunities are there. Is equals to is there, means no friction. Greater than is there, forward friction. Less than is there, backward friction. Okay, please try to take care of these important symbols. Let us try to apply this formula for this case. Let us try to find out. From the ground, we are applying it height of what on 2r in the problem, because r is the radius, 2r is nothing but height. Let us try to compare. R of 1 plus k square by r square value for ring is how much? 1. Therefore, you are getting 2r. That means LHS value, RHS value both are equal. In such a case, we have no friction. This is going to the right answer for the problem. Thank you.